Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access the incognito mode in the Claude AI application. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the desktop application of Claude AI. I haven't found that incognito mode here in the desktop application, so you will need to do this through the web application via your browser. Log into your Claude AI account, start a new chat. And here in the top right corner of the new chat, you will see that incognito button. Click into it or use that shortcut here. And after that, you will be given access to that text field here so that you may start your conversation with the artificial intelligence Claude. Select your language model here if needed, use the voice mode here. And to close the incognito mode, click into this X button again, or into this button, and that's it. So if I try this also in the Claude desktop app by clicking into new chat, oh, there it is. So let me correct myself. There's that incognito button in the top right. So you can access it actually via both app versions, desktop and web. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.